So to build an effective risk management cloud, we advise 3 building blocks. And that is fundamentally very easy to build. So starting with the very foundation or the fundamental, controlling the user accesses, which is to ensure right people have the accesses, which in turn ensures that your organization's major risks are automatically addressed. Once you have controlled your user access, you would want to monitor next to ensure the people you have granted accesses are doing the right activities, like changing the master data or changing any critical configurations. And following that up with streamlining of compliances, also having various use cases where you can digitize your audit workflows, you can capture your various regulations and compliances, and in an automated digitized format, maintain a single unified risk register. So if you effectively manage your risk management, your compliances are always taken care of automatically. So you don't have to wait for tick mark all your compliances, but ensure that the right risk management solution is in place. And using Oracle's risk management cloud solution, you can start off with any layer of this building block and start with implementation to ensure your audit points or your key risks in your organizations are addressed at the very grassroots level. And having said this, you can start off with anywhere onto any block. But if you are into your transformation journey, we recommend you start with the foundation, the very fundamentals of ensuring right people have the right accesses. So having said all of those, it breaks down into key 8 use cases, which is delivered as part of Oracle's risk management cloud capabilities. Starting with the very foundation, ensuring you have secure role designs, having a deep SOD analysis in place, and doing your audit and certification workflows onto your user base, and ensuring there is a continuous monitoring of user security, which in the current scenario, in the current org structure, we see levers, movers, hires, and also cross-department transfers on which there has to be a continuous monitoring mechanism in place to make sure that any kinds of role reassignments, any kinds of user role provisioning is always under check. And the IT team takes care with a data-driven analysis in terms of deciding which role should be provisioned to the user and which contains any kinds of SOD violations. As you move up to the block, that's where the monitoring of user activity becomes prominent, where you can monitor any kinds of audit trails, the changes happening to your audit objects or any kinds of master data or any key setups, and also doing a continuous monitoring of the transactions which are happening above a risk threshold. And finally, on the top, you can see the 3 blue use cases, which is very widely used by most of our organization or customers who are not even on Oracle, but completely reaping benefits of the capabilities which a system agnostic solution is providing you to manage your internal audit workflows, to manage your enterprise risk management, performing the likelihood impact analysis, and ticking box on the various risk assessments and taking it all the way to evaluation and giving you a single source of truth in terms of analysis to take a more data-focused analysis and decision making. So all the solution which I mentioned is delivered as part of Oracle's risk management cloud capability. Everything has alert systems, charts, various notifications turned on by default, and it is fully integrated with your Oracle Fusion system. And that's the beautiful part, that you don't have to take your data out of the system for analysis, but the data can reside within the Oracle database. And with a simple synchronization option, you get your data analyzed and ready for you to take action on the key risks which you have identified. So this is the very basics of where Oracle Risk Management Cloud is right now positioned. And before beginning with the most awaited part of the session, which is to see few of those awaited 23C updates. So as part of Oracle's update plans, this is the 3rd installments into the 2023 updates. So we had a similar session in the last quarter, and we would be doing it in the future as well to ensure you get the very quick look into what's coming up new and incorporate those changes into your risk management if you're already using it. And if case you're thinking of starting it now, what best than that? So many of you are considering Oracle Risk Management Cloud implementation, and many of you are using other solutions or other areas where you are right now into your journey. So we are more than happy to connect with you and understand where you are and also suggest the best practices to go forward into your implementation journey. And those of you are considering Risk Management Cloud, this or today is the right time to start planning out and have a bigger picture put in across to make sure your business objectives or your risk management goals are also achieved as we go through the rest of the year.